Yo. Oh! Dude! Yes! Yo! We're making something. We're making something. Oh! Oh! Alright, that works. Alright, it's now starting to have more variation. That's a pretty good one. I like that one. Oh, that sounds sassy. This sounds sassy. Just want to do this all the time. Ooh. Damn, that was like space futuristic vibe. Yeah, this is a good one. This sounds like a 1980s video game type of arcade game. Dang, this is pretty legit, guys. I'm really happy. Man, this sounds like a soldier game. And there we go. That's my mini album mixtape. Buy it on Spotify. Help me get to position one in the Billboard charts. Help me become the rapper that I've always wanted to be. With that said, thank you guys for watching and tuning in. We'll continue.